Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy phone. To update manually, go to your settings. In settings, first of all, make sure you have connected your phone with internet. You can use Wi-Fi or cellular as well. Now, scroll down and here, tap on software update. Now tap on download and install. And here, you will be able to see if any new updates available. Just go ahead and tap on update and you will be able to manually update your Samsung Galaxy phone. And now I'll show you how to update automatically. To update your phone automatically, go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and we have to enable developer options first of all. To turn on developer options, tap on about phone. Here tap on software information. Tap on build number for 7 times to enable developer options. Now verify your phone current lock. And now go back to your settings. And now here you'll find developer options. Tap on that. And here, tap on search. And type here automatic update. And sorry, in developer settings, we have to search for auto update system and here tap on auto update system. And here we can see the option auto update system. Now just enable this option and now on your Samsung Galaxy device will be automatically update whenever a new update release. Thanks for watching.